Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. I bought a house. I am so excited. It's a start of a brand new journey, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. Let me tell you all about it. I'm honestly so excited to tell you all of this. Okay, so Clinton and I bought a house in October. We've been wanting to buy a house this year, and we're really working towards it, and then Corona hit, and we were just like, dang it, you know, like we don't know what's gonna happen. We could lose our jobs. It might not just be the right time, but we saved, and then we started looking, and then we got pre-approved. Started looking. We found the house of our dreams. It didn't work out for us. They didn't accept our offer. And then we found this house. Funny enough, I never saw the house before we put an offer in. He filmed everything because I was super busy at work. And I was like, I love it. We put an offer in, we got accepted, and then we closed the middle of October. So crazy, honestly, but we did it, and oh my gosh, my first house, you guys. Sometimes I think and I'm like, it's not real life, but it is. It's so crazy. It is a 1980s colonial style single family home. We purchased in the suburb of Atlanta. It's beautiful, and it's in a really established neighborhood in Atlanta. There's so many trees, really diverse neighborhood, which is what we're looking for, and I think it's going to be a good first house. So we bought older because we really didn't want an HOA. My mom lives in an HOA, and I'm like, that is just such a waste of money, to be honest. So it is not in the HOA, so we're free to make any kind of updates we want to the house. But it's also in an up-and-coming area, so if we want to move in the next 5 or 6 years, I feel like we'll get a really good return on investment. All right, so the house is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and it has a ton of land. And also we're not super close to our neighbors, but we're normal distance to our neighbors. And let's see, it's kind of open concept on the bottom with a really pretty good sized kitchen, breakfast nook, living room, and then there's a formal living room that Quentin will turn into his office, and then a formal dining room. Upstairs is all 4 bedrooms, a small bath, and then the main bathroom in the main bedroom. And the main bedroom has 2 closets, a his and hers, a big stand-up shower with 2 faucets, spouts? I don't know what they're called. 2 sinks, and then if you go downstairs, the 2-car garage that has the 2 garage doors, a big window, and a door. I love the landscaping, but of course it's not my style, so I'm ready to get out there and plant. I've actually already planted all of the spring bulbs, like tulips, hyacinths, all of those, so I'm hoping they come up in the spring. In the backyard, we're gonna update it a little bit, extend the deck, probably do a pergola with cute little lights, and I'm gonna do we want to remove some trees, and then I want to have a veggie garden out there. I think that would be so fun. But yeah, that is it. That is the house. I have so many DIYs and decorating videos and all of that home day in the life videos planned. So definitely subscribe if you are into those. I have one that I'm working on now with the first couple of updates. The first thing we did was paint the kitchen cabinets and updating it. So I'm really excited to show you that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me and continue to be subscribed while I've been gone. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon in a new video. Bye!